Welcome to MatheNatic. We are busy revising stats for grade 12, paper 2. And in this video, we'll focus on the standard deviation involving frequencies. So what we have here is a data table. We have x values and frequencies. So what this means is, if we have 4 and the frequency of 3, it means that we have 3 4s in our data set, and then 5 occurs 7 times, and 7 would occur 10 times. So the 4, 5, and 7, those are the values that we observe, and the frequency is how many times that value occurs. For standard deviation, you need to compare the mean to the standard deviation. And in the previous video, I explained how to make that comparison. But in this video, I want to focus on how to find the standard deviation if we have a frequency table. So first, let us find the mean. So if 4 occurs 3 times, it'll be 4 times 3. 5 occurs 7 times, so it's 5 times 7. And 7 occurred 10 times, so it's 7 times 10. So this will be the total of our data. So that's all the data values added up together. So we are saving time. We're not saying 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 7 times plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So instead of expanding like that, we are using multiplication to find the total. Then the number of values that we observe is the total of these frequencies. So it's 3 plus 7 plus 10, and that is 20 values in our data set. So the average is 5.85. Now for standard deviation, I'll show you the steps on the white Casio calculator. So first what we want to do is we press Shift and then 9. This clears the calculator's memory. Then we select Mode, and a few options will pop up on the screen, and you press the option that says Stat. So for this calculator, it's the third option, so you press 3. Then a new menu will open up, and you're looking for the part that says 1 minus var. So on this calculator, it's the first option, and you select that. And now a new screen would open up, but we want to also have a column here for the frequencies, or an F column. And how we create that column is by pressing Shift and then Setup. So Shift Mode. Can you see next to Mode it says Setup? So you press Shift and Setup. You scroll down to the option that says Stat. So this sometimes you need to scroll down quite a bit because it's not the option on the first screen. Then, once you press Stat, it will ask you frequency and on or off. So you press frequency on, and now the data table would have changed to X and a frequency table as well. So you only need to enter 4, 5, and 7, and next to 4, 3, next to 5, 7, and next to 7, 10. And once you have entered the data, you press AC. Now the screen would clear, so you press Shift, Stat, so that is Shift 1, and choose the option that says var. And then you choose the sigma x, and that is our standard deviation. So in this video, we're actually learning how to create that second column, or the frequency column on our calculator. If you want to learn how to interpret the standard deviation, I encourage you to go look at the previous video where I explain how to find 2 standard deviations and how to interpret that data. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to MatheNatic.